Paimani bagai de ini jeng press media ma phaika Mwkthang jeng koekdin age social media jeng joto sit tongo Manipur ni jugotona niti ani mongkha nondita Debbarma yang engka ani yang yagra phaising tongo MLA Swapna Debbarma engka chini temasa madam tongo doli riang ulano tini tini ni press media chini doli riang je gotona niti jeng je press meet khainang tini asungani abani bisri tobo ulano koksan.
Thank you very much. The whole nation of our country, the entire Northeast. Manipur is one of the states of the 7 sisters of northeastern states. We all are aware the situation, the burning issues in the last more than 2 months. It has been happening in Manipur. We all are very much aware of that. We could never hold back ourselves. We could never remain, no longer we could remain silent spectators because of the very heartfelt sudden incident that took place on 4th May 2023. 3 ladies, 52 years old, 42 years old, and 21 years old. 3 ladies were brutally stripped off their clothes. They were forcibly made them to walk on the road in the midst of the mob, and they were taken to the battlefield and vehemently, very simple to pronounce, they were raped in the battlefield in the open space. By 21 years old girl was raped when the mob in front of the police, when she raised her voice to protect her dad and her brother, they stood beside her to protect her. But then the dad and her brother.
Paimani bagai de ini jeng press media ma phaika Mwkthang jeng koekdin age social media jeng joto sit tongo purni jugotona niti ani mongkha nondita Debbarma yang engka ani yang yagra phaising tongo MLA Swapna Debbarma engka chini temasa madam tongo doli riang ulano tini ni press media chini doli riang je gotona niti jeng je press meet khainang tini asungani abani bisri tobo ulano koksan.
Thank you very much. The whole nation of our country, the entire Northeast. Manipur is one of the states of the 7 sisters of northeastern states. We all are aware the situation, the burning issues in the last more than 2 months. It has been happening in Manipur. We all are very much aware of that. We could never hold back ourselves. We could never remain, no longer we could remain silent spectators because of the very heartfelt sudden incident that took place on 4th May 2023. 3 ladies, 52 years old, 42 years old, and 21 years old. 3 ladies were brutally stripped off their clothes. They were forcibly made them to walk on the road in the midst of the mob, and they were taken to the battlefield and vehemently, very simple to pronounce, they were raped in the battlefield in the open space. By 21 years old girl was raped when the mob in front of the police, when she raised her voice to protect her dad and her brother, they stood beside her to protect her. But then the dad and her brother could not save her. These 2 men, the victim, 21-year-old girl, her daddy and her brother was on the spot murdered. Then she was taken to the battlefield and raped in camp. So seeing that viral video in the social media, we have decided to come forward as a human being and also as a lady. We have come forward to speak. We are seeking justice for our sisters who were being raped brutally, shamelessly in Manipur. You can see this, our honorable member of Tripura Legislative Assembly, Mrs. Swapna Debbarma. She is the president of our Tripura Women's Federation, Tripura Motha Party, and she is our honorable MLA, Mrs. Nonita Debbarma. And here you can see in our back, she's also our secretary, Mrs. Sharmila Debbarma, our TWF, Tripura Women's Federation secretary. And you can also see in my back, Mrs. Swapna Debbarma Ria. She's also the secretary of our Tripura Women's Federation. And we have got two ladies, our members. Today we could no longer hold back our grief that we have seen our sisters were brutally tortured, physically, sexually assaulted, raped, and their family members were murdered. We would seek justice for the women who were raped and also for the two men, a daddy and a son, who were murdered. And also the thousands of children who were sent away from the school because their schools were destroyed. And also the thousands of people today who are lying down on the open skies, on the ground without home. And the numbers of churches that were burned in Manipur. And thousands of someone's husband, someone's brother, someone's daughter, someone's sister were killed. Even we could see from the social media, some women pregnant, they were not even the newly born child also was not spared. They were burned alive in the ambulance. So seeing all this, we could not remain silent. Today we are bound to come to the social media and raise a few words for our sisters, for our brothers and sisters of Manipur. Problems will be there. In every corner of the world, in every corner of the nation, or in every corner of the state, problems may arise. If there is a problem, there is a solution. We can find out solution. The government of India can bring solution. I don't understand why the government of India, our honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, is an international figure leader. But today, why he is so silent? Why the Prime Minister of India or the government of India took so long days, so long time to solve the problem of Manipur? And the BJP's motto is what? Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Where is this slogan gone? Where is your team? Your team, your words had said something, and your action behind the screen is something else. Your Beti Bachao, where is your Beti Bachao? Today, your sisters, I should not be saying, but I am bound to say, our honorable Prime Minister, he is also a married man, but he has never become a daddy. Maybe this is also one of the reasons that he is not seeing the pain of a lady who are being tortured, who are being murdered, the children who are being homeless, they have to come out from the school. So they are lying down in the battlefield like an animal. Maybe because he has never become a daddy. This is one of the reasons that he could not see the pain, the sufferings of the people. We strongly request that government of India should solve the problem of Manipur from both the communities. Let government invite the social leaders, the political parties, and solve out the problems. How long can you watch? Or is it an entertainment for you? My question is the Manipur issues. You have played politics between tribes and tribes in the name of status. You are playing politics in the name of religion. You are playing politics, chiming out the sex is a way or to penetrate politics in Manipur. This should not happen, and we will not tolerate. Especially we women, we cannot tolerate injustice being done to our people. We cannot tolerate this. That's why we are raising our voice. If Prime Minister of India can roam in the international of the world and bring out solutions, then why not a small state in Manipur, such issues has been burning in the last 2-3 months. Why he is watching silently? If you only say, "Bhai aur beheno, I love you all." Seeing the Manipur condition, my eyes are filled with tears. My heart is filled with pain. If you only say your words, it is not enough. We want to see the action. Bring out solution. That will prove that you are a really capable and deserving Prime Minister of the country. We want to see the result. And who is the Biren Singh, Chief Minister of Manipur? And Biren Singh, Chief Minister of Manipur. Who is he? He is the Chief Minister of BJP in Manipur. Why this Chief Minister is enjoying in the last 3 months? He has taken these issues as an entertainment. He has seen the people crying. He has seen people being fled away from the houses. He has seen churches gutted down. He has seen thousands of people wounded and hospitalized. He has seen thousands of people killed. The innocent people are suffering out of schools, out of education. Children suffer. Out of food, people are dying. Out of diseases, people are dying. But why Biren Singh is showing his natak there? That means I am saying, we are saying there must be some reason behind the partner. And the incident took place in 4th May 2023. But only one single man out of the gang, only one single man so far arrested after 77 days. This shows that operation of the police procession or the government of India is so weak to arrest those criminals. That is why they took 77 days. Or is it the reason that they want to enjoy? Or is it the motive behind the tribals to be killed in Northeast? What is the motive behind? What is the motive behind? Why their operation is so slow? This is our question. Many questions arise. It is so surprisingly that after 4th May incident took place, the original video viral did not happen. It was hidden. But unfortunately, it has come out in the social media. The international saw. And only one man is so far arrested after 77 days. Then how is the government of India, the BJP government, going to handle the problems of the country? To arrest few men, if they take 77 days, then how are they going to function? How are they going to develop? How are they going to operate in the entire nation? This shows that government of India is really weak and incapable. Therefore, we strongly request the government of India to intervene and bring peace, tranquility, order in Manipur state. And the remaining guys, whoever have involved in the rapists, whoever are involved in the rape, they must be arrested at the earliest. That's all what I have to say, and our Tripura Women's Federation President will state something.
धन्यवाद, थैंक यू। मुझे हिंदी से बात करूंगी। मुझे हिंदी ज़्यादा आता नहीं है। आज हिंदी से बात करूंगा। मणिपुर 4 तारीख मई में मणिपुर में एक घटना हुआ। घटना का बारे में सारा भारतवर्ष के सोशल मीडिया को देखा। सोशल मीडिया को वायरल हुआ। सोशल मीडिया वायरल हुआ वीडियो को देख के मैंने अच्छा से खाना नहीं खा पाए, अच्छा से सो नहीं पाए। बहुत 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 एक गलत है, क्योंकि बहुत बहुत दुख लगता है। उसका बारे में सोच के मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ, क्योंकि 2 महिला को इतना अत्याचार किया। 2 महिला को कपड़ उतार के नंगा करके गांव का कच्चा रास्ता से हटाया, भागा के हटाया। और बाट में धान का खेत में गैंग रेप किया। गैंग रेप का बात में मैं मोदी जी को बोलना चाहता हूँ, आप महिला का बारे में सोचिए। आपने बोला था बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, भारत माता की जय हो। ये भारत माता की जय बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा। मोदी जी को बोलना चाहता हूँ, आप इधर में मणिपुर में इतना आग जला है, इतना हिंसा का आग जल रहा है मणिपुर में 2 महीने। आप नहीं इधर में टाइम नहीं दिया, मणिपुर के जाके आग नहीं बुझाया। आपका टाइम, आप तो बहुत टाइम दिया है बाहर में, कभी कभी फ्रांस, कभी जापान, कभी अमेरिका में आपने टाइम दिया, एक बार भी टाइम नहीं दिया मणिपुर में।